Okay, kids, so it is time to get your rooms designed. So tell me everything that you want in there.
Unicorns,
Blue,
glitter,
cayenne,
goldfish, pillows,
light
glasses,
blue slime,
pink
light blue
stuff.
squishy.
Also,
Hey everyone, in today's video, you are in for a treat. I'm going to be completely redecorating and painting a room that two of my daughters share, and also decluttering and reorganizing their closet. What you heard at the beginning of the video is very similar to what they told me too. They wanted blue and pink and glitter and glam and butterflies, you name it, they wanted it. So I had quite a challenge to merge their interests and of course shave some interest off the list. Their old bed was a beautiful dollhouse bed that we had for years, but the main daughter who originally wanted this bed wasn't even in this room anymore, and the girls who were wanted to move to a more white bed. I didn't get the footage of us assembling the new bed and painting the room because this was around the time I was recovering from the flu. So we were trying to hurry and work on borrowed time, but the girls were super excited when we did finish, and we donated the old dollhouse bed to Goodwill. And you can see the sheer excitement on her face. Now it was time to declutter this closet. Of course, I first removed all items from the closet, then went through the process of removing all old or torn or too small clothes to be donated. I previously uploaded a couple of videos of my two other daughters' room makeover and closet, and it is the complete opposite to this pair. In the other room, the girls were struggling to get rid of things, just crying, "Oh, please." However, in this room, these girls were the complete opposite. They were tossing stuff to be given away left and right. They even tried to toss and throw away some good things in the trash. I did save some of that real life footage for the end, so make sure you watch the whole video to get a laugh. The hilarious thing that happened here was they started with all these clothes and even had some clothes to sort through from the other room that I did in my last decluttering video, which I will make sure to link in the description box for your reference. But even though they started with all of these, one daughter ended up with only 2 shirts and 2 jeans. But this is the part that we have to literally go through this entire stack and put them on hangers, and we have to be very real with ourselves as far as what are we going to wear and what are we not. My second oldest daughter is who I'm talking about. She grew so fast during this pandemic time, so she only fit like 4 things by the time we got through. I had to go and buy her more clothes. Let me know if this has ever happened to you when you decluttered your closet or your child's closet. On this channel, I typically post cleaning motivation, organization, and occasional home decor videos, and I try to make cleaning be enjoyable. So if this is something that interests you, please make sure to subscribe so you never miss a video. As I stated in my last decluttering video of the other 2 girls' room, when I'm doing a major decluttering project, I like the giveaway stack to be larger than what they're keeping. Because, I mean, come on, I know they're not going to wear everything that's in their closet, and I just don't want them having a whole bunch of things that's just in there. In this case, the funny thing was, like I was saying, they got rid of so many things that even like the strap broke on the trash bag. It was just like, it was real bad. So now we're sorting through belts. We already did hats and everything, and you can see that little bitty small stack over there. That's what they were left with. So it wasn't a lot at all. But we decided to get rid of a lot of the belts unless they matched a particular outfit like a dress or something, because I mean we didn't need it, and they don't tend to wear belts with their jeans unless it already comes with it. Hey, if you are cleaning and decluttering a space along with me as you watch this video, drop a "oh yeah" in the comments. So as you heard at the beginning of the video, my two daughters in this room like two completely different colors. So the way that I brought those colors in was I made the one that likes pink have pink hangers and the one that loves blue have blue hangers. So I just, thought that was a cute little touch to just kind of help to personalize their room based on their interests. Now I'm putting up 3 command hooks. 2 of them are for my daughter's robes, and the last one is for their laundry undergarment bags, which I mentioned in my last laundry video. And now for the final room and closet reveal. I tied together the pink, blue, and butterflies. These girls wanted an overall brighter colored room than the one in my last room makeover video. The bed and storage bins came from IKEA, as well as these white underbed boxes. The storage bin holders and bedding all came from Target. I had to search the town to find these to match their bedding. I used most of their original pictures since they tied in with this theme, and purchased the rainbow picture from Home Goods. They wanted a window seat much like their sisters, but the space was more compact, so I repurposed this blue jean bin as a smaller window seat, and it has a storage compartment inside of it. The closet is much more organized, and their laundry hamper came from Target. All items I mentioned that are still for sale will be linked below in the description box for your reference. I really hope you enjoyed this entire room makeover and that it gave you the motivation to tackle a room or space in your house. If you haven't already, please like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe so that you continue to receive content much like this. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram so that we can connect in between videos. Don't forget to stay until the end to see some funny footage. See you next time. Bye-bye.
And actually, you don't get your butt off the iPad. You gonna help. It's your room. Put that up. If I hold it up for you.
No.
Nope. So, here's a 12.
No.
No more jeans? You don't want any more jeans, right?
No, I already have a lot.
Oh, you put it for trash. No, don't do that. Just, put it in the bag. It's not that bad. This is cute, but this is kind of dingy.
No.
And this, technically, I thought this was supposed to go to Dominique.
I don't think she'll want it.
This should not be here. Yeah, I was gonna say, this used to be Dominique, but this now, do you want it or no?
Ooh, that's cute, yes.
What does the fox say?
It says, get rid of it.
Oh.